Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Rivera and I'm going to explain to you how to do journal number 7, and it's called How Do You Calm Your Worries? And if you look at this picture right here, you can tell this man is feeling worried. It's a feeling that you may or can have. So the first thing you should be doing is watching my video, which is this video right now. And then when you're finished, you're going to watch this next video. It's all about being worried. And this video is going to help you with things that you're going to put in your journal. What makes you feel worried, and how do you help yourself when you feel worried? So this is like a music video, but it will help you. So click on the link and it will take you to the page, okay? And you're going to press play and watch this video, all right? And when you're done, you're going to come back here. And then I have a story for you to listen to. You might have heard it before. It's called Wemberly Worried by Kevin Henkes. And you're going to click this link, and this man is going to read it to you. Okay, this is the story. After you listen to the story, you come back and you're going to read this. I'll read it to you now. It says, "We all have things that we worry about or that make us upset or anxious. That's normal. It's important to have ways to calm yourself and deal with your worry. What do you do to settle yourself down when you're upset or worried about something?" So that's something that I want you to think about. Um, then you're going to make a list of things you might worry about. So if you have trouble thinking of ideas, what I suggest you do is you go to Google and you type um, things kids worry about, okay? And they give you examples right here, and they might give you more examples in here that you might want to read on to. But it says, like, you might worry about getting your homework done, or you might worry about being late for school, or changing schools, or not getting good grades, or becoming sick, like with all this stuff that's happening with the coronavirus. You might worry about being left out of a group, or not getting along with your teachers or your friends, or not being good enough at sports. These are all things that a lot of people worry about. I want you to think of some ideas that might worry you. Okay, there might be big things, they might be little things, and that's okay. Like maybe worrying about forgetting your snack. Okay, I want you to write at least 4 ideas, and you're going to type it in these boxes. If you want to add more, all you have to do is click on this line. Sometimes it's hard to get. Click on that line, and if you right click, it will say insert row below, and if you click it, it'll give you some more rows, okay? So that's how you can add more if you need to. After you're done writing at least 4 things in your list, you're going to go to number 6, and this is the writing piece. So it says choose one of the ideas from your list to write about. So you're only going to pick one of these to write about. Not 2, not 3, not 4, only one, okay? Then you're going to tell about your worry and explain what you can do to help yourself. So for example, I might choose, like if I wrote in my list about being late to school. Maybe that's something that I worry about. Okay, I would first tell what I worry about. So I sometimes worry about being late to school. Then tell why you worry about it. I worry about this because sometimes I don't hear my alarm clock and I have to rush to get ready. Okay? Now you want to explain what you can do to help yourself. I can help myself not to worry about this by what can I do to make myself not worry about this? Maybe I can ask my mom to make sure that I'm up if I don't hear my alarm, right? So by asking my mom to check on me so that if I don't hear my alarm clock, she can wake me up. Maybe I could say on time, right? I can also help myself by getting more sleep at night. I can get to bed early and then I won't feel so tired. Okay? So if you notice, I did not write just one sentence, okay? Because you do have to explain your ideas. And you do need to answer kind of two questions. One is what your worry is. Then you have to explain it. And then two, how can you help yourself with that worry so you don't feel so worried anymore? Okay? So I'm going to erase this because this is where you're going to put your idea. Okay? And that is the assignment for your journal. Let me know if you have any questions.